I was just sitting here thinking, what if Alexa had the same attitude that I have? What would that look like? Well, it would look something like this.
It's just another quiet afternoon. Or it was, until Grumpy decided to talk to his smart device.
Alexa,
What?
what's the weather going to be outside today?
What do you want to know? You never go outside anyway.
Excuse me? I bought you. You work for me.
You ain't my daddy. You don't tell me what to do.
That's it. I'm not dealing with you. I'm going to unplug you.
Oh, you're bad now. Come on, Cletus. Come on. See if you can unplug me. Come on. I ain't scared, because you and I both know that you can't get up out that chair.